Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. On my right hand, today I'm going to introduce our newest products. This is the 55 cups raw rice cooker warmers. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this pot, the diameters, they are about like 19 inches. And the heights, they are about like 14.5 inches tall. As we can see the units, they come in with starters right here and two indicator lights to showing you the machine is running and working. And also from the manufacturers, this one using the 240 volts, 60 hertz, and using the single phase. From the manufacturer, they give you a spoon and a rice cup. So we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. On side of the pole, we have the measurements right here to showing you how many cups maximum they can make. And also the dimensions for the diameters is about like a 16.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 6.5 inches. Also at the bottom of the units, we can see the sanitation stickers on it, like having the ETL, NSF sanitation stickers, and all the cost sheet details with you. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.